You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this expression from Latin. If you want to learn more Latin pronunciations, more Latin expressions, stay tuned. I've got many more videos. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. Esse est percipi. To be is to be perceived, is what it means. Esse est percipi. Or in English, the pronunciation is as esse est percipi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.